Right, welcome to Harley Classics, and as you well know if you follow us on my channel, I love classic commercials. And what's not to love about this little cutie? Yes, it's another Austin C cab van. This one I don't know anything about at all. It didn't come with any history, so I'm presuming, and it's only presuming, that it started life as a car. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on these things. Somebody might come along and say, no, that's an original van. But at 100 and odd years old, coming up, I mean, what is it now? 1926 this, so it's nearly 100 years old. I can't tell you all the history of it. You know, I'd be lying if I said, oh, I knew this, I knew that, and I don't make things up. So I don't know anything about this van other than when I show you around it. Right, so let's have a start. Start looking around the front of the van. Bodywork, the bodywork's nice, and I always try and be really truthful, but it's not perfect. You know, it looks, it's what I would call a 10-yard van. So from 10 yards away, it looks immaculate. But it has got one or two little marks in the paintwork. There's a little crack down there. There's cracks on the bonnet here, where the hinges are. Open the door, there's little marks. It's not bad, but a lot of people who buy the vehicles off us never come and see them. So I've got to describe them as they are. You know, I'm not some sort of, you know, greasy salesman who stands there and says, look, it's perfect. You know, it has got a couple of marks on it, and I want to show you them. Right, on here, this looks like it's been made out of galvanised, bit of galvanised section there, and not etched prime. So a little bit of paint to go on there. So a little bit of touch up. Green and black, I think, looks absolutely lovely, and that sign writing is fantastic. And again, whoever does buy this, if they want to keep it like this, you've only really got to change this door, which isn't a big thing. Moving around the back, again, bodywork's nice on the back. There's inside the back, yeah, looking early. Obviously, you're not going to carry a cement mixer or 10 bags of cement in there. The framework's really nice on this. It's been really nicely done. As is the little vinyl roof. Again, moving around this side, the little seaside there is really nice and presentable. One or two little cracks again in the paintwork. There's one there, and there's one there, and a little chip down there. The little fenders and running boards are good. A couple of chips on here. And what tends to happen is this is a one-piece bonnet, so when I do show the engine, I'm going to have to lift the whole thing off. And you do tend to get chips and marks where you put them down and mess on with them. But again, chassis is good. Brakes seem to work all right. It's just an appealing little thing. Great advertising tool. Would I like to drive it miles and miles? No, I wouldn't. Do I fit in it? No, I don't. So, right, let's take a look under the engine. Right, so there you have it. There's the power plant. It's running on the little Zenith brass updraft carburettor there. Fuel tank's there. The tap filler's there. Little Claxton horn. If you come around this side, you'll see she's still running on magneto ignition. It is a good starter. It does tick over nicely. We have had it on a test drive, but it hasn't gone to Bewley and back. It's probably done about 10 miles altogether since we've had it. So don't think you're going to come here, jump in the van and drive it wherever you want, because you'd be a silly man if you did. So basically, it's nice and tidy under there. No nasties there. The engine runs. There's no clatters or bangs. We'll take a look inside it, in the interior. Again, this one has a bench seat. The other one we have for sale has two single seats. I don't know whether that's period or it's just been made as an addition. I would say door cards, but they're only bits of vinyl. But it's nice and presentable in there. There's no wires hanging. There's no bits and bobs that shouldn't be there. It's had indicators fitted, which is a really good thing. There's a set at the front. The indicator switch is there. Little indicator on there. Go around the front. I'll show you them on the front. Hidden quite away nicely. So you've got indicators fitted there, which is always a good thing. Under the seat, you have this seat. You have the battery cut off and the starting handle. And again, like I say, it starts okay on the handle. Inside, if you want to look in here, Ellie, the wood frame's good. You've got a spare wheel over there, and it has decent oil pressure when it fires up. I normally drive these, but like I say, I can't fit in that thing, so I can't drive it. But it does start nice. So there you have it, the Austin Sea Cab van, 1926. Find another. I've got two. If you like this video or any of the videos that we do, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. It doesn't cost a penny, doesn't cost anything, but it makes me want to go out there and buy some more unusual, rare vans, rare pickups and rare cars. Bye bye now.